If you have marked the answer for this question as option B, lamellar ichthyosis, that is the most common wrong answer which many students are marking for this question. Hello dear students, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas. So what is the correct answer for this question? It is option C, ichthyosis vulgaris. So why is it ichthyosis vulgaris? Read the question very carefully. Full term male presented with neonatal care with membranes covering the entire body separated by deep erythematous fissure. So basically the examiner is giving you a hint that possibility this is a collodion membrane which is present all over the body, and also another clues, ectropia and eclabium support this collodion membrane. So based on these findings, what could be the most likely diagnosis? Remember students, it is autosomal recessive congenital ichthyosis in which collodion membrane can be seen. And remember dear students, Harlequin ichthyosis, lamellar ichthyosis, bathing suit ichthyosis, all these are examples for autosomal recessive congenital ichthyosis which can present with collodion membrane. So the least likely to be correct diagnosis is what is asked in the question. That is the reason why read the question very carefully and then only mark the answer. Ichthyosis vulgaris is autosomal dominant condition in which we are not going to see the collodion membrane, but we are going to see fish-like scales over the body. I hope this video cleared your confusions. If so, please do hit that like button and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Sarvam Sri Krishna Pram Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Your Derma faculty, Dr. Maddineni Srinivas. Bye.